Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I am Deepak Choudhary and I am going to discuss about the types of concrete. Okay, so here is a classification of types of concrete. First is based on cementing material, or I can say based on binding material. Okay, so based on cementing material, concrete is having three types. First is lime concrete, second one is gypsum concrete, and third one is cement concrete. Okay, this is only binding materials. Okay, lime, gypsum, and cement. So based on this, these cementing material, we can classify this in three types: lime concrete, gypsum concrete, and cement concrete. Okay. Now, second classification is based on bulk density. So, based on bulk density, concrete is having four types. First is extra lightweight cement concrete. In extra lightweight, the bulk density of concrete is less than 500 kg per meter cube. Okay, and lightweight cement concrete, the density is between 500 to 1800 kg per meter cube. Whereas in dense weight concrete, the density will be lying between 1800 to 2500 kg per meter cube. Okay, and last one is super heavy concrete. Okay, it is having very high bulk density, or I can say the bulk density must be greater than 2500 kg per meter cube for super heavy cement concrete. Okay, so this is about the based on bulk density. Now third one is based on place of casting. Okay, it is based on at which place we are casting the concrete. Okay, so there are two types. First is in situ concrete. In situ concrete means what? In situ concrete means we are preparing the concrete at site itself. Okay, we are mixing ingredients and we are preparing the concrete mix, and we are going to make the structure readily itself at site. Okay, so this is in situ means nothing but it means the proportion of every ingredients in cement concrete. Okay, so proportion of ingredients, in previous video we have discussed about the ingredients of concrete mix. So ingredients can be cement, sand, aggregate. Okay, so based on ratio of these three material, we classify the concrete in following types. First is M5. In M5, the mixed proportion of these cements and aggregates is 1 to 5 to 10. Okay, so it is also important in objective questions. They ask directly that in M10 or in M5, what is the proportion of cement, sand, and aggregate? Okay, so in M10, there is a proportion of cement, sand, aggregate 136. Like this, in M15, here is a proportion 1 to 4. In M20, the proportion is 1 to 1.5 to 3. And last one in M25, the proportion of mix ingredients is 1:1:2. Okay, so guys, this is about the types of concrete. Actually, this classification is important for conventional paper. Okay, in IES conventional exam, this can be asked in 5 marks or 10 marks. Okay, as in SSC JEE written exam, it can also asked. Okay, so this is the classification of concrete. We have classified on based of 5 criterias. Okay, so I hope you understood this well, and you can prepare the book also for better understanding. Actually, I will discuss about concrete more in next videos. Okay, so till then, just wait for videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.